fireworks pala yung ganito. Yung fireworks kasi natin.
Okay. Okay. Currently spying at the Ninoy Aquino International Airport. There's an A350-1000 over there. I think we got grounded aircraft here due to the Middle East war going on. It's kind of bad, but I don't really. It's hard. Okay. It's just nobody at this airport right now due to grounded flights. It's just I can't even handle it. I think we got BR271 over there. PR1805 for Davao, Philippines. But I think it's but I got the two A330 Neos over there. There, two AirAsia A320s. We got a Gulf Air Boeing 787-9 over there. We got an A380 here in Manila by Emirates in maintenance. Hey guys, if this is we got an A330 Neo that's like king of runway 6, and there's my condo somewhere in the distance. Sorry about that tree in the background. So yeah, I'm using this because I got cut off from my YouTube connection. Okay. This will also be uploaded to youtube.com to attract more viewers. We got an A330 Neo, but that's another one. Big airport here, but it looks small like JFK's airport, like the shape of JFK. There's a Lufthansa Technique hangar here. Welcome. Here we got a lot of flights. We got a Bombardier Q400 that's landed at runway 6 by PAL Express. But I don't know destinations. This original destination's unknown. Yeah, I flew the airlines. There are also budget airlines. But I've been plane spying for like 2 years or more. Because there's SQ flights here. There's actually like 4 or 5 flights that operate here. Sorry about the talking background. It's just it has a Philippine hawk eagle on the livery. But there's an ATC, but it's all blacked out in there. There's like I don't see like anyone in there for some reason. They're ready to do construction on the terminal, which is Terminal 1. Bet. I flew the flight like over that plane over the air, which actually I took a BR272 to Taipei. It's actually like one that, but the seats were okay, but the cabin seemed outdated to me. So I kind of like exposed them or something. We got the 85th anniversary. Oh, we got Singapore. Bound for Singapore Changi, the best airport in the world. Because this is the observation deck. I'm like 3 out of the 2 people here. Or 3 out of the 5, maybe. Thank you. Because there's a lot of Kuala Lumpur flights, but they canceled a lot of flights to the Middle East right currently, and like more than 20,000 people are stranded here in the airport. Welcome. If you're a plane spotter, also leave a like. If you're a Manila plane spotter, follow like some of my friends, some of the people I follow too. They're gonna start transferring all the turboprop flights to Clark International. I know it is beautiful. But I took one of their A350s for the Philippines. Hey. I know why everyone has to honk every time. It's like the most road rageous thing I've seen. Is go through the red light. I wouldn't do that. It's literally it's like not busy at all. It's like you're seeing like, because I just saw the new livery for Korean just today. The merger livery. And Gulf Air just suspended their GF 155 flight from Bahrain. From Manila to Bahrain. Here we got, there's F-155 over there. We're waiting for other flights. Waiting for PR-1805, the Philippine Airlines A350-1000, delivered on December 20th, 2025, celebrating 85 years of service. Welcome. You're a big fan of Starlux, aren't you? Also, Starlux flies here from Taipei to Manila as JX785. This is actually this is actually my home airport currently. Cause I have family who live here in the Philippines. So I'm waiting for like more flights. Because there could have been a chance for me to see Starlux. There might be because you could see Starlux here too. It will be departing from Terminal 3. A lot of flights are delayed currently. Waiting for the one of the other flights currently, according to the tower. But I think the tower is, they're contacting from the tower over there. We got the Sharklet A320 by Philippine Airlines, but I never had one in their fleet before. Also, if you like the A330neo and want to hear a Trent 7000, also watch some of my A330-300 takeoff videos, but only be on one. Oh man. Waiting for I'm likely to see an A350-1000 takeoff from here for the first time. Oh! Almost went above the speed limit in the taxiway. Almost. Waiting for like flights, but they don't seem to be like, so right now it's about like 30 degrees Celsius. translated to 86.6 degrees Fahrenheit with mostly sunny the cloudy skies today. That means when like April or May comes, it's usually going to be runway 24. Easier to see planes landing and taking off. Oh, I guess it's because I might go on the A350-1000 nonstop to Chicago, but they're going to begin flights nonstop on March 29th. But I'm leaving in May. Hey, Manila to Chicago, but. And also that a takeoff video from the inside will be released on Instagram, and landing video will be also released to Instagram, and also including the following, which is YouTube. Oh, we got a special livery over here. That's Fly Everyone livery. Currently I'm not seeing as many flights, but currently there's an A320ceo that just landed here in Manila just now. And here we got the F51 livery. Because I've been doing trip reports since 2019. But they're going to start removing turboprop flights here, the passenger ones, starting on March 29th. Oh, there goes a Sharklet A320. That's number 1, 2, or 3 over there. We're waiting for some planes that are going to take off. There are no planes are landing. Usually because I plane spot sometimes, and also I go to school here. So I do these every Saturday, like at 1 p.m. Sometimes I stream early, so I don't want to get caught in this traffic here. Trying to wait for the A350-1000 kickoff here. But EVA Air flight BR272 was supposed to depart at 12:50 p.m. and now it's like 15 minutes beyond departure. Usually not normal. There could be a flight coming in from Riyadh, which is SV862. It should be coming in about an hour or two. You can see PR319 as a Boeing 777 or an A350-900 in the Love Bus livery.